We are back, and this time we're going to create another form. It's going to be called Coordination of Related Services. So to create this form, you're going to go into Documents, you're going to go into Forms, you're going to go into Provider, you're going to find the name of the form, Coordination of Related Services. We're going to type in our child's name, and then we're going to select our name. Download the form. Once the form is downloaded, please open it. And let's start. Here you're going to put the month the service took place. So let's say August 2020. Make sure that the names are correct. And then you're going to go into your IEP. Make sure that on the IEP you're going to write exactly the mandate as it is written on the IEP. So for example, seed services 10 times 30, speech 2 times 30, OT 1 times 30. Here you're going to write in this line, you're going to write the names of the providers. So you're going to put your name here and the rest of the providers. If one service is not assigned yet, let's say OT is not assigned yet, it's 1 times 30, but it has no provider attached to it. You're going to write here, no provider established. No provider established. And you're going to write the mandate here. Then next, you're going to go and answer question number 1, as it's very simple. And number 2, please answer this question and check in the bubbles. Number 3, you're going to write here, they asking you to describe what happened during your meetings, monthly meetings with related service providers. So if you had a meeting, please write the date of the meeting here and way of communication. It could be via phone, text, or in person or email, whatever it was, just write it here. Participants, you're going to write your name, and all the participants who also participated here, those participants must be related service providers. So it's going to be your name and the name of all the participants, all the providers who participated in this meeting. They must be OT, PT, or speech. Then you're going to answer this question if all the providers are assigned. If they all assigned, meaning everybody's assigned here and they're providing services, you're going to say yes. If one of them is not assigned, as we spoke before, OT is not assigned, then we're going to say no. If one or more providers are not assigned, in this line here, we're going to write the following statement. Contact the agency to remind CPC administrator to establish services. So we want to make sure that we relate this information to the CPC administrator that some services are still not established. So the statement will be, and I'm going to repeat it one more time, contacted the agency to remind CPC administrator to establish services. This is what's going to happen here in this line. Then you answer yes or no to this question, and you're going to date it and sign it and print it. Let's say the situation is that none of the related service providers are assigned yet. We don't have any. In this case, you're going to write here NA, because meeting did not take place. You need at least one provider for the meeting to take place, and there's no providers besides seat assigned. So you're going to write NA in this area here. You're going to check off no, and in this line, once again, you're going to write contact the agency to remind CPC administrator to establish services. You want to make sure that they are reminded that there are some services are still not provided. And then you're going to check off yes or no and print and sign. Thank you.